darlings, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold. For my regulars, what's up, girl? Welcome back to another episode. A lot of you are really engaging with me and I love it because you're giving me ideas for you guys and I love to do stuff for you guys. I have done 1 or 2 little hair tutorials, but I don't do them that often. 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5 of you sent me a DM on Instagram, follow me on IG, Fumi Desalu-Vold, and said, Fumi, how do you have this beautiful, neat hair bun? We love it. It's so classy, timeless, and I have to agree. I'm a mom. This really works for me because Adrian cannot reach and pull. I tell you, he goes for the earrings, he goes for everything. But this is such a quick hairstyle for me to wear anywhere. When I'm going to see my sister in her office, when I'm going to a wedding, when I'm going to go and pick Adrian up, wherever I am going, most especially when I'm traveling on the plane, because the back of my hair can rest and it is easy for me just to sleep and put on my mask. I wear a lot of cream products on the plane for hydration, moisturization, but for my hair, it literally is always in a bun. And so I've kind of perfected to what kind of sort of works for me. Yes, my darlings. So I want you to sit back, get your mocktails. Like me, I don't drink. Get your cocktails and enjoy. All right, see ya later. Do we love the makeup, my darlings? Just look. All right, darlings, so this is my hair. Yuppie-doo. This is all that I got. The other day, I swear I thought I saw a gray hair. The grays haven't come in yet. Should I be grateful? So let me just double check because I could have sworn. I think I saw. No, they haven't come in yet. I promise you, Ula said that he saw one because sometimes he helps me with my hair, you know, brush it and everything. And he's like, you know what, for me, I did see something, you know, blinging in the sun. But I tell you this, I do not care. I believe that I've earned my stripes. I am of age now, and so, you know, this is life, and I celebrate life. I celebrate everything that God has given me. And will I keep my grays? Yes, but I'll color them. I will color them. Yes, yes, yes. I used to color my hair before Adrian was born because my hair is brown. It is not black. I don't know whether you guys can see, but it's not necessarily black, and I like it jet black. I don't know whether you guys can see, you know, so I like it absolutely jet black. But when I was pregnant with Adrian, I stopped, and then when I gave birth, I just didn't go back to it because there were all kinds of products out there. So this is the hair. That's it. This is all that I got. I'm being as authentic to you as possible. It doesn't matter. It is what it is. It is what it is. I'm blessed in so many ways. Then I take this. I love. This I love. This is the L'Oreal Magic Retouch. And basically, it just really blackens the hair. It's also good for grays, but I use it to fill in the sides here. Do you see? It's not that it has fallen out. It's just that it's kind of thinned out over time. So what I do is that I do this first so that it can look really natural. Not too much now. Let's not go crazy. And then let me show you. Do you see? Just that. I do that. And then let me do it on this side. See? So it just fills it in. The little bit that I need. And then I comb it through so that it looks natural. Okay? That's what I do. Before I continue, before I put it in one, I take any gel. Any gel is perfect for this. Any gel, okay? And I take like the black gel, dark gel. What is this? This is Soft and Free. You know the Soft and Free brand? Yeah. So I take a little bit for the back. So I take a little bit and I just put it in my palms and I bring it through the hair. The back, the sides. And I just do right through. Okay? Put it right through until I get it into the center. So let me show you the sides. And then let me show you the back. I'm going to twirl around. I love this chair. When I tell you, it was one of the first things I asked Ola for. I said, I need a swirl for the drama. You know. So this is just for you guys to see so that everything is smooth and is right in there. And that, I have it all in one. Take a black band. Take any band, as you can see. Yeah? Do you like my makeup, my darlings? Yes, a little purple wing. If you guys love it, let me know. I'll do a tutorial for you. So you just put this up. I use the elastic band. I go over it once. I go over it twice. I go over it 3 times. And I bend my hair like that into a bob. That's it. So this is what you should have. Okay? Now, before I continue, I live for this. Whoosh! It is bed head wax. Bed head wax. Delicious. Delicious, I tell you. Give it a push. And what I do is that I go to the edges very gently. And I just like it to be flat. And that's what you get. See? Really sharp and crisp. You get all of those fine edges in. I do it to the back. So this is it. Do it to the back. Get all of those in. Like so. Make sure it's all in there. It's a beautiful, beautiful wax. You should be tight and clean. I take hairspray. That way, all of the little wisps never comes off. And I use anything super hold. This is Silhouette. I promise you, I think I got it in a goodie bag. But when I saw super hold, I said, yeah, I can take it. Go to the back. Just spray it all over. That's it. That's all you need. Now, we're going to go into the chignon. And the chignon is beautiful and fabulous because it doesn't break my hair. I stopped wrapping my hair with weaves because it really just broke the hair in the center. I said, how much am I going to cut this hair? The struggle was real. Because back in those days, you know, if you spend the night at your boyfriend's place, you could remove the wig and explain. But you couldn't remove the wig and then have a bald patch. There were so many questions I just couldn't answer. And it killed the vibe. Before you know it, you are mad. Now you're not giving him no cookies. You want to go home. You want to go home. I'm not talking to you. All right. So this is the ponytail hairpiece that I love. Why? Because as you can see, everything is sewn in, stitched in. And it has a drawstring situation to the side. What do you mean, Foams? It means, and I will demonstrate, I put this over my little hair. Then I take this and I draw it and it pulls everything in place. Hence the fluffy ponytail. Hence the chignon. I like yaki. Let's be realistic. My hair is not long and straight. It is not. I'm black. Let's call it what it is. So I go for this yaki texture and it gives the bouffant shape. It gives it bounce and above all else, it gives it height. Hence that big bouffant. And I love this when I tell you that I've got about 20 of these around the house. I introduced myself to Ula as well as the wigs when we first met. I said, because you're going to see a lot of them. He was shocked. For like a week, he was like, is she wearing a piece? Is she wearing a piece? White folk don't know. They really, really don't know. Legit, you can go to the office with a different hairstyle. Legit, they will not know who's walking through the door. Because you have to remember, they just do color and perm. That's it. They do a color, they do like a little haircut, and that's it. They don't go drastic like black folk. They don't go drastic. Like, who is this? I'm telling you. Well, I said it's hard to keep up. You got to understand. When you come and visit my family, just stick with one hairstyle, okay? It's a lot, and I don't want to start explaining to them that you wear fake hair. I was like, okay. But it is what it is. All right, so I have my 7th Dwarf brush. I love this. I got this in Primark. It's a cheap store here in London, but they've got the nicest things ever. And I just brush the hair out, okay? I brush the hair out, and what I do is that I try to angle it to see where I want everything to be. Okay, and then I tip my hair down and I pull it to the side. I just want to make sure that I have it where I want it, okay? Because as I'm talking to you, it's kind of difficult. Okay, so I put my hair like so, and let me turn this way over. Let me scoot back, Fums. I put my hair over, and then I pull this over, yeah, like I was showing you, and then that little thing here is what snags my hair, the fake hair, over my hair. Yes, then I take this and I wrap it around my hair to secure the tightness. This was a good idea. I thought, you know what, for me, you can do this, you can do a tutorial of this, but then again I'm struggling. But can you see? That is what it looks like. Fabulous. And you can have yourself one of the fiercest ponytails to date. So you have the ponytail, and then what I do is that you just take any bobby pin, okay, and then you just tuck that in and take it right underneath. Now the trick here also, guys, it can't be too tight and it cannot be uncomfortable. If it's uncomfortable now, in the next 1 hour it's going to be like a time bomb, and your hair just goes boo 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 boo. Boop, boop. And then the more it gets tighter, more uncomfortable, the more and more you begin to lose your understanding and hearing of any kind of conversation because you are comfortable. So here we go. Here is the ponytail. And as you're like this, I can see the back, so I just press it down. Sometimes I will wrap my hair around just to keep it nice and flat. I twist this around like that. Okay. So you have something like this. Yeah? Okay. Twist it. Try to just have like a little end because it works. Twist it around. Then I take it and I bend it. There you go. You can see it already taking shape. I take a strong pin, big gorgeous pin like that, and then I just click in and I bring it back all the way down, and I take it all the way to the back, and it goes all the way in, and there you have. Okay, from there I take it around. I take it right around and I click it again, but I want to zhuzh it, so I just want to make sure that it's kind of in the center. It's not, you know, it's not off because then you look slanted. Yeah, that's it. And then you just zhuzh it, make sure that it's okay, and then you just pin it where it's necessary so that it can look, you know, all in place. Yeah. Voila. That is my bun. Then the last thing I do, just for you to see, let me take it all the way around. This is what the bun looks like. I hope it looks tidy in the back, but this is how I do my bun. And it's the easiest for me as a mom. It's easiest for me on the go. It just works. Then I take again the L'Oreal Magic Touch, because as you can see, the piece is blacker than my hair. So I just go over the hair and I go over my hair and the piece. Just go over a little bit, over a little bit, over a little bit. There we go. Then you just take the comb and you just brush over, and then I take my beauty blender and I go over that. See? Oh, I'm living for this look, guys. If you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial for you, I will. And let me just show you. You might have sparse hair right there. Just go over it. Just go over it, because that's just the gel and the product separating the hair. Okay, and then when we go over on this side, we'll check as well, make sure that's all nice. Then take the end of your comb and just coax that in. coax that in like so, and then you can go in with your hairspray and just make sure that everything is copacetic. And you have a wonderful bun. And that is how I do my hair. So it's a process, but I live for it. So let me just add a little powder, setting powder, and I think I am done. You know, get all of that shine away, and I'll be ready for my pics. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, my darlings. Happy Tuesday, and I will see you when? I will see you tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share this tutorial. Let me know, because I want to do a lot of how-tos, as well as always, you know, doing tutorials about PR that I get in the mail. I mean, what fun is that? You know, you really want to get into the secrets of how does Fumi stay fabulous? How does she rock all of these looks? This is my go-to look. It works for me. By the time I've done my hair and just wore like a Jaja outfit, girlfriend is ready. You can wear this to the red carpet. You can wear this to the supermarket. You can wear this on your day off. You can wear this hairstyle on the weekends. You can wear it always, and you are fabulous. Let me show you sexy secretary. You can wear it to work. You're that boss babe. You can wear it to work. Absolutely. Show up. Good morning, Mrs. Desalu-Vold. Good morning. It works. It's just that versatile. It's an everyday kind of fabulous hairstyle. And when you want to look fabulous, when you want to look glam, hello sunshine. Yes, you can also be that bad babe. And they'll be looking at you like, did you see Fumi today? What is she on? Doesn't she have a toddler? How is she looking so fabulous? Because I stick to what works for me in my life right now. You know what I mean? All right, my loves. Kiss, kiss. Stay positive and keep pushing through. That's the only way you're going to make it. I love you all, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.